So this is our refrigerator. As you can see, press the button, ice making, nothing happens. High speed freezer, nothing happens. Powerful freezer, nothing happens. Open up the door, it is dark. I can feel cold air that's coming out. Refrigerator, definitely not running. You can see that none of these buttons are responsive. Again, no lights when you open a door. You can hear nothing running. And you can see the ice is actually starting to melt. You can see all the moisture off of it when the ice is melting. So we definitely have a refrigerator that is not running. So I'm trying to remember the model. It's a Hitachi refrigerator. Model number RSF44TPAM. And been trying to get KenCorp to do something about it for 2 weeks, and they are dragging their feet about it. Quite frustrating.